People, if you're not ready for marriage these days, please make money and carry on with your life. Because tell me why in this new week, anyway, happy new week, people. Okay, happy new week. In this new week, that cheating and marriage, cheating is flying up and down. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, oh boy, your favorite Frank Edoho of the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire's marriage, his third marriage is on the rocks. Yes, you heard me right. His third marriage has failed and he's on the rocks. It's not even that he's on the rocks. The marriage, he don't scatter. Okay? So, the gist we say that Frank tweeted on the yesterday that he is out of his marriage. The marriage is now out. It don't scatter. And the story behind it, viewers and subscribers, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, that the reason behind the marriage being scattered is that your favorite Chike, the soft, handsome Onitsha boy, they knock Frank Edoho wife. Hey, it's not as if I'm laughing, but he's rich to laugh. Let me show you the tweets and the pictures and the video. Biko, excuse me, because there is no video to this, but there are Instagram page quotes, Instagram write-up. Frank Edoho on his IG page wrote, "Over the past few days, I've received an outpouring kind of message, prayers, concern, and goodwill regarding my separation and ongoing divorce proceedings. I truly appreciate the empathy. While I understand that the public is only just becoming aware of this chapter, I have lived through it privately for quite some time now, almost 2 years." So the marriage, it don't scatter, almost 2 years, and have since made peace with it emotionally. Life unfolds in different seasons, and sometimes moving forward quietly is the most dignified path one can take. I am well focused, at peace, and deeply grateful for the love, respect, and support so many of you continue to show me. Thank you kindly. That's what he wrote on his IG page. Now, on the other part, Nigerians have a lot to say. Frank Edoho has always had a reputation of being savage. Remember, if you don't know, let me give you the data of this guy. This guy is married to your favorite, one of the features ladies in who is not one of the ladies in Lekki Wives. The favorite lady on the low court. I don't remember her name, but I'll put the picture. That was his first marriage. According to sources, they say the marriage ended not so good. Okay, the marriage ended. So he married. Correct me if I'm wrong. Mike Edoho married the first one to Sandra Onyenuche, and then married the second one. So this second one crashed, and Nigerians have dug out and start saying, who started this thing? QT Jules said that. So it was Chike that was knocking Frank Edoho's wife in the other room. So Nigerians are saying that. So Chike used all his love song with the knock person wife. Remember Chike on one video admitted that he likes his older women, that he likes his women older.
Like opens up to me. Let's have conversations.
Most women cannot handle it. I'm telling you for a fact.
Yeah.
The times you start finding a woman that can handle it, they're slightly advanced in age. Mm-hmm. That's when you start finding. You don't expect a 23. Imagine I'm running around with some 23-year-old now. What's she going to handle? What's she going to understand? She just want to take pictures and be on Instagram and tell everybody that she's dating you. What are you unpacking to that person? Let's be honest. You can find people like that, but that's where you now say this girl is so mature.
Yeah.
You find it in older people. Then before you know, you find guys dating girls that are older than them. And you wonder what's going on. Because you're not getting to a place where you want a certain level of peace.
Yeah.
And it's just the older people.
Yeah.
Do you understand? The past maybe 2 relationships I've been in, they've been older than me.
I like that.
Do you understand? And that's why you can't, if there's no small girl, like I say, I'm DMing her.
Oh.
Nah. I probably be like, oh, hey, hi, but that's it. It's not going to get past that. Because I know where it's going.
Yeah.
Our visions are just not the same. I feel like for me to talk to a 23-year-old now, it has to be like a career woman. Who I know that this person is dedicated. They're trying to make something. Not that you're not doing the same madness we are doing. And I told you something about one of my biggest fears was losing everything.
Yeah.
Right? Right now, one thing that I know can make me lose everything is who I pick as a partner.
That's true.
I know. I know that.
Parents are asking questions and they're saying a lot of things. So someone said that Chike don't use lover boy eye sweep the lady off his feet. Say Nigerians that are saying that Frank Edoho's bola no they do anything inside the marriage. That's why he forgave the first wife. The third Frank tweeted. He said that if you forgive your wife the first time that she cheated, that apparently she's going to keep cheating on you, and you keep forgiving her, and she will resent you for it. Now the question is it that the wife has been sleeping with this Chike guy, your soft favorite boy, Chike, has been sleeping with Chike, and Frank on the other part has been the one forgiving and forgiving and forgiving. Now at a point he could not bear it any longer. The marriage had to scatter. Now somebody is asking another question. He said the Frank Edoho that we know will not take it. Do you feel that Frank controlled the social media? Because this marriage ending wasn't yesterday. It didn't just happen. Remember, he said 2 years ago. So he controlled it. He wanted for the media, for people to know. Okay? So if you know Frank very well, Frank Edoho very well, of the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire guy, okay, you know that this guy, it's a big bass boss. If you tell you one thing, he tell you another thing. If you're very active on Twitter, X, you will know that Frank Edoho is a very boss guy. He's very his mouth sharp like razor. So Frank Edoho is controlling this whole thing. He wanted everybody now to know that his marriage has ended. Now Nigerians are saying that what is going on behind closed doors? Why is Frank's marriage ended? He married the first one, he ended. Married the second one, ended. Now the third one. See that Frank is the problem with these women, because no woman in this Nigeria, according to the economy of Nigeria now, that wants to walk out of a marriage that you know that the man is fending for. The man is paying all the bills. Now no woman wants to walk away. Nigerians are saying that Frank Edoho is the person behind his marriage ending anyhow. Because how can somebody be married and all the marriage fails? According to Frank, he said that life has seasons and life has lessons. So is it that marriage doesn't work with him, or his season is ending in marriage? I don't know how to put it, but that's just me thinking outside the box. Okay, that's just me thinking outside the box. Apart from what Nigerians are saying, now the real deal is it that marriage doesn't work with Frank, or is it the women are against him in all this marriage? And so however you feel about this video, leave your comments. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section, because it's actually sad and it's really messy for somebody like Frank Edoho's marriage to crash. Guys, remember, if you are my regular watcher, thank you for being here. And if you have not subscribed, you know what to do. Do leave your subscribe button or whatever, guys. I'm your girl Bella. Peace out.